Here we come to the elevators at the Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated in Fantech City. This is also a portion of the old Crowne Plaza Hotel. This portion of the building is the Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. These elevators serve floors 32 through 51, or the penthouse in this case, so these are the high-rise elevators here. So these elevators used to be Dover. Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated moved into this portion of the building when Phineas and Ferb went off the air, so it's no longer in Danville. So after a great 7 years of Phineas and Ferb, Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated moved into here. I miss Phineas and Ferb. That was my favorite TV show. I had a great 7 years. But here's the left one. And yes, these elevators were modernized in 2015, when the show went off the air. Penthouse, 50. I guess penthouse is where Doofenshmirtz lives. Here we go. No semi-aquatic secret agent platypus is allowed in this building. So I guess that means Perry the Platypus can't come in here unless he doesn't wear the hat, since Doofenshmirtz doesn't recognize Perry the Platypus without his hat. Hotel Fantech is floors 1 through 31. That's a different portion of this building. These are slow now. Whoa, these elevators really slowed down. Why are these things so slow? These weren't running very fast. Now they're so slow. Ugh, we're only at 46. I thought the Hilton Marquee elevators were slow. This is even worse. Ugh, here we are at 50. These elevators ran really quickly in the express zone. Why did they slow down so all of a sudden once they actually came to public floors? Heinz Doofenshmirtz, you need to speeden up your elevators. Because that's just unacceptable. Here's the long way down. It's gonna take forever to get back down to the lobby. Yeah, this is even worse than the Hilton Marquee. We're only at 37. Normally we're almost at the lobby at this point. Okay, now we're speeding up now that we're in the express zone. Either that or the floors for the Hotel Fantech are as far apart as this portion of the building, the Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated, but these are still incredibly slow. Make your elevators better, Heinz Doofenshmirtz. Oh my gosh, 4.5 minutes in this video, and we're not even at the lobby yet. This is only the ride down. Ugh, finally! Slowest elevators in Fantech City as of right now. Maybe I'll find something slower in the future. Anyways, that's it.